আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু নিউ লেসন শফিন আহমেদ। আজকের যে বিষয়টা নিয়ে কথা বলবো অনেক ইন্টারেস্টিং একটা বিষয়। সেটা হলো এখন থেকে আপনারা যারা যারা ব্রিটিশ অ্যাকসেন্ট শিখতে চান, আপনারা অনেকেই ব্রিটিশ অ্যাকসেন্ট, কেউ আমেরিকান অ্যাকসেন্ট শিখতে চান, কেউ অনেক ফ্লুয়েন্ট ইংরেজি বলতে চান, অনেক চমৎকার করে ইংলিশে কেউ স্ট্রাকচার শিখতে চান, কেউ ওয়ার্ড শিখতে চান। আপনারা সবাই আমাকে অনেক বেশি অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট করেন, যার কারণে আমি আমার ভাইগনা ফ্রম ইংল্যান্ড তালহা, আমার আপন ভাইগনা, সে ইংল্যান্ড থেকে আপনাদেরকে ব্রিটিশ অ্যাকসেন্ট শেখাবে। সে এখন আমার চ্যানেলে কাজ করবে। এর আগেও আমার চ্যানেলে অনেক কাজ করেছে, আপনারা তাকে দেখেছেন, খুব অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট করেছেন। সে একজন ব্রিটিশ সিটিজেন, ব্রিটিশ বাচ্চা। সো একজন ব্রিটিশ বাচ্চার মুখ থেকে আপনারা ব্রিটিশ অ্যাকসেন্ট শিখবেন। সো আজকের ভিডিওটা আপনাদেরকে ইনশাআল্লাহ অনেক বেশি ইন্সপায়ার করবেন। যত ব্যক্তি আজকের ভিডিওটা দেখবেন, তালহা এখন আপনাদেরকে 10টা ব্রিটিশ অ্যাকসেন্ট শেখাবে, কীভাবে ব্রিটিশরা এই 10টা ওয়ার্ডকে উচ্চারণ করে। আজকের ভিডিওটা দেখার পর আপনারা সবাই এমন কোনো ব্যক্তি থাকবেন না যে কমেন্ট করে যাবেন, তাহাকে ইন্সপায়ার করবেন। অ্যান্ড সেকেন্ড, আপনি এটা আপনার ফেসবুকে শেয়ার করবেন আর আপনার ভিডিওটা কেমন লাগলো আমাকে জানাবেন। সো হিয়ার আই গো উইথ তালহা। তালহা ইজ কামিং।
Assalamu alaikum, it's me Talha from London, and if you know me, I've been talking about coronavirus just about 2 weeks ago. Different video about how to pronounce 11 words that are very difficult, and then people get confused. Most people get confused about these words, but today I will be showing you the main details how to say these words. So first I'll be starting with this word literally. Literally. I literally saw you 10 minutes ago. Literally. The tongue always has to be at least 1 centimeter away from your teeth. Literally. So the word literally, you have to pronounce it. Your tongue always has to be on the 1 centimeter behind your teeth, and then you can pronounce the word great. Literally. Now the second word I'm going to be telling you is exactly. Most people say it exactly, but in the real English way it's exactly. You're exactly right. Always your tongue has to be like the same as literally ick. You're not exactly, it's it. We're doing it igs. And the T is basically silent, so exactly. You're exactly right. Next word I'm going to be telling you is work. So people get confused in these. Work, walk, work. You're going to do an O sound like and then now you're going to have to your mouth is going to like be in a shape like a circle. So work, walk. Both of them like work. They have to be the same aim, like they have to be round. Work, walk. But walk will be more stretchy, more to the two lips are supposed to be nearly touching when you do the circle. Walk. Let's walk to the park. I go to work on Thursday. That's one thing you can do. Through. This is not how you do it like through or through. It's like through. Your tongue has to be touching your teeth. These two teeth on up. Through. The next word I'm going to be telling you is thoroughly. Please, can you check my test paper? Thoroughly. It means quickly. Next word I'm going to be telling you is sixth. It's not like sixth. It's sixth. That's how they say in Southern England and in England. So that's how they say it, sixth. So if you don't know, there we go. That is the right way to say sixth. Now this one is like about American English and English normally. schedule? Do we say schedule or schedule? Now, there's this thing going on the English, American translation from English. That's what they call it now. So, schedule. You can say it however you want. There are no problems with that. Schedule. I have to go this time to this schedule. Or you can say, it's my schedule. That's how you can say it. Next word is entrepreneur. Now this is some people do not know the meaning of this word and it's very hard to pronounce, called entrepreneur. You can say it in 3 parts. Entrepreneur. Or 4 parts. Entrepreneur. We're not saying intrapreneur because it's saying entrepreneur. You turn the E into like an O sound. Entrepreneur. Now this thing is girl. You know how like we did walk and work sound. It's girl. So they're the 11 words that are very hard to pronounce, very basic words. So I teach you how to say these very nicely and very easily. So I'm teaching lessons about how to say stuff very nicely. And I'm working with my uncle Shafin. So please subscribe to this channel. Shafin's channel. So I will see you in another day. Stay safe, stay home. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can I try, please?
No, you can't. It's not your age.
Okay. Either can I read a book?
Sure, you can.
Okay. For Genie.
Huh? Nobody's ever asked me that question before. That's easy. My freedom.
Wait a minute. You mean you're a prisoner?
Sure ran phenomenal cosmic powers and itty bitty living space.
But I can fix that.
Oh yeah?
I have 3 wishes, don't I? But first, I wish you to make me a prince so I can see that princess again. And second, I wish you to get me out of this cage so we can get to the palace.
Ooh, a 1-2 wish punch. Now we're cooking with gas. A prince it is.
Wow, look at me, I'm a prince.
Well, to help us bust out this joint and arrive in style.
Wow, a real magic carpet.
Abyss, Aladdin, Abyss. Let's fly in pretty skies. We have a princess to impress.
Really? I hear that Princess Jasmine is so spoiled that she can't even blow her own nose. She has a royal nose blower to do it for her.
That's ridiculous. I mean, it can't be easy when people only see the princess and not the real person inside.
Hey, I can see the person inside you, Pushmi. You're smart and sensitive. Hey, I think that's pretty cool.
Wow, thanks, Latin. I think you're cool too. Like when you give your bread to those beggars.
It wasn't exactly my bread, but if I don't have those who are starving, who will? The ancient law makes it tough to be poor.
Forget me started on ancient law. Just because it's a tradition doesn't mean it's right. Hey, why don't we tell the Sultan to change the ancient law so that everyone in Agrabah has a chance to be happy?
How are we going to do that? We're just a couple of nobles.
No, Latin, you and I for the future can change the world.
You really think so?
Seize it!
The power of the universe flows through my very veins. After all these years, I finally get what I deserve.
Yep, you'll get what you deserve, alright? As Genie, you serve the master of the land.
What? No. How can this be?
Here, Aladdin.
Hey, Jafar, hope you enjoy new jewelry.
Stop laughing. What a world! What a world!
What a world, what a world.
Why me? Oh!
See ya, you wouldn't want to be ya. Jasmine, I'll never forget how we could have. Jasmine, I'm no prince, I'm just a street girl.
No, Landon, you're a journalist, dreamer of great things. When I met you in the marketplace, you inspired me.
And you inspired me, Preschool. Genie, for my third and final wish,
Yeah, boss, a whoever, a woman, or the man in the world.
I wish to set you free.
Are you sure this is what you want? It's your last wish.
Genie, you need to be the master of your own. I made a promise and now I'm going to keep it.
Well, all I can say is, your wish is my command. Free! I'm finally free! Thank you, Laddie, you're a true friend.
And I'll never have another one like you. Thank you for keeping me honest, Genie.